Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment so imports resolve correctly. First, install Python and the Vscode Python extension. This gives you linting and IntelliSense. Once done, open Command Palette and select the interpreter that matches your project virtualenv or system Python. This matters because modules install into a specific interpreter. If the wrong interpreter is active, imports fail. Make sure the selected interpreter appears in the status bar, so Vscode uses the right site packages for execution and auto. Now you create and use an isolated environment so dependencies stay predictable. You can run Python mvenv and activate it on Mac OS/Linux use source, venv/bin/activate on Windows use, venv \scripts\activate, then install packages with pip install package name, those modules live only in this env. Once installed, make sure Vscode is still pointing at that venv interpreter, and reload the window if needed. So linting, debugging, and run tasks all use the same package set. Finally, run and debug your module within Vscode to verify everything works. Use run Python file in terminal or create a launch. JSON for breakpoints and arguments. Tests integrate via Pytest or Unitest in the Test Explorer. If an import error appears, stop and check which interpreter is active and run piplist to see installed packages. Often reinstalling the package into the active env fixes it. If problems persist, restart Vscode and check terminal environment variables to ensure consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.